right, Daddy Jack's going with the blues here. Glenn Peltier on camera, and his lovely wife Paula Orsini, and they have the Orsini Sausage Company, and here local since 1933. And was Paula's grandfather Frank? No, Frank Orsini?
No.
Somebody hit me up on YouTube, and I was saying they had Frank Orsini. But Glenn was saying that he takes these and skewers them and puts them right on the grill. But I'm gonna do a whole ring of this, round it up real nice. Chop cheese, parsley, Italian sausage. I'm gonna do some broccoli rabe on top. So olive oil. I like to use a little bit of butter. So Orsini's, and for the holidays, or contact Paul and Glenn, and maybe you can work it out. I know they're real busy, but maybe they can freeze up a couple and ship them to you. So I'm just gonna let that go. And I'm gonna start my broccoli rabe. And again, here's olive oil. Water. And I'm just gonna rinse this off. I'll be right back over here. There's a lot of debate whether to boil it first, or the purists that really like the broccoli rabe, I believe, don't like to boil it first. Lose some of the flavor. I'm going to cut that end off right here. But I like a little bit of I like to put a little bit of chicken stock in mine. Okay. A little bit of onion. Oh boy, huh, Glenn?
That looks good.
Kidding me? Gonna get a good saute on this. All right, I want just a little bit more color on here now. On that top side. Okay, Glenn, what do you think? Under the broiler or in the oven? Probably go in the oven with it?
Sure.
All right, in she goes. I'll put it right in the bottom of the oven because I want a little bit of caramelization. Right in the bottom. I got our bread pudding in there, but we're gonna put them on the top. Okay. I'm gonna leave that in there probably about 15 minutes, and we'll be right back. All right, we're back. So, just for my taste, I'm gonna put a little bit of red sun dried. Not too much, just a little sour, a little sweet. I'm just gonna put a little touch of chicken stock. What else you think, Glenn? I mean,
I think that's it, man.
huh?
I think that's looking good.
Add a little bit of color to it.
Yeah.
And we don't want to put any Parmesan in there, do we? Maybe on the sausage when it comes out of the oven.
Well, there's a lot of cheese in that, so.
Okay. All right, so we're done with this. We're gonna put it up under the, just keep it warm, and we'll wait for that sausage to cook, and we'll be back.
Okay.
All right, here we go. The piece de resistance. Set that down a little bit. Oh my God. Oh, jeez. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? So, what we'll do is here. How would that be, man? Serve right to the table like that, huh? A big loaf of bread, Italian bread. Well, I'm not done yet, Glenn. Does. You know me. A little bit of chicken stock. We want all the goodness. Look at the flavor coming up off of that thing. Let that reduce down, and let the butter thicken it. So it's magic when that butter with the sauce, natural reduction. Look at the sauce, it just thickens up. Jeremy Smyers, he loves this technique. Doesn't even use flour anymore in his sauces. Natural. Add more stock, 2-3 reductions down. Flavors unbelievable. Look at it, right down. That's it right there, man. What if we should go to the table? What do you think, Glenn?
I think so.
Huh?
Everybody like that.
Let's go to the table. That sausage is so unbelievable. That's what I would, if I did a food truck, that's the sausage I use for the sausage and peppers and sausage and broccoli rabe. You see that down at the Dance to the Ugeo down there in Brooklyn every year. They do those small ring sausage and they had onions and peppers cooking and steak sandwiches.
Excellent, Jack.
Hey, guys, go with the blues. Always good when friends show up. Unexpected. Josh, employees sitting, we let them sit at the family table here. Now get back to work.
Yeah.
Hey, guys, go with the blues. Thank you, Glenn. Peltier on camera. We save a bunch for you.